Hi there, welcome to our jelly bean sweatshirt, and I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to make this gorgeous sweatshirt. What I have got here is a sweatshirt with a beautiful closure. I've used cam snaps and it's very simple using cam snaps. You could use metal snaps as well. The one thing I will say for metal snaps is that they sometimes come off, and if you're a beginner, I would really say use the cam snaps. They really are the best for this. And then we've got a hem trim here as well at the lower end of my sweatshirt, and I like this particularly because it gives you this sort of high-low effect, and that looks very cool. I've used 3 different fabrics on this. So I've used a really lovely cotton jersey with lycra. This is from Joann's and it's the Doodle selection. That is quite nice. And then I have a Michael Miller here yellow, which I got from Fabric Worm. That's also really nice. Beautiful sweatshirt, and anyone can make it, especially when I take you through all the little steps. Let's not forget though that we've also got a little pair of sweat bottoms to go with it, and these have got the most amazing little pockets in them, which are really easy to do. They look like oil pockets, but they're nothing like it. They are super simple, so we've got those as well. In this case, I made a wider waistband, so if you want the jogger bottoms as well, you can of course have a look at those too, and there's a full course for that, and various extra bits as well. So the sweatshirt goes with these jogger bottoms. You have got 2 options. You can make the sweatshirt with or without the closure, and I'm going to talk you through when we look at the pattern in a minute how exactly you do that. And then for the lower trim, you could just use the Bob standard all the way around trim, and here I have then double stitched it from the outside, but you could also use a twin needle for that or a cover stitch. It is super cute, so let's get started with this. The first thing I'm going to talk you through is your pattern.